What's up, guys? This is Super Simple Fixes again, and we are going to show you how to change some wiper blades on a car. Today it is a Honda Accord 2014. You want to make sure the first thing you do is you're going to measure out how long the wiper blade is. You could get a tape measure and measure it out. Make sure you know what the length of it is before you go to the store and buy it. This particular car has two different lengths of wiper blades, so make sure that you're measuring both wiper blades when you're doing this. So once you've got your new wiper blades, you got to figure out how you're going to take off the old wiper blades. And this particular car, it's pretty easy. I figured out that I can do this one-handed. Once I tilt this blade out like this, you can see there's a little tab right here. See if your car is built the same way, but push the tab down and hopefully you'll have two hands to do this, but I'm doing this one-handed. And as I keep this pressed down, I'm going to go ahead and pull. The wiper blade pops out. Get it off around the hook. Get your new wiper blade. Line it up with the hook, right? So you can see I've got that little cartridge right there lined up with the hook. I'm still doing this with one hand. And pop it right up into the hook and you hear the click and it's all set to go, right? Set it back down. Do the other side and test it out when you're done. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you soon.